Assalamu alaikum. Open your book at page number 31. Write the beginning sound. Write the beginning sound. Okay, kids, what is this? Good. Gloves. Gloves. Starting sound of gloves is G. G. What is this? Good. This is rose. What is the starting sound of rose? R. What is this? Duck. Duck. Starting sound of duck is D. D. Okay. And what is this? Ball. Ball. Okay. Gloves, rose, duck, ball. G. Gloves. R. Rose. D. Duck. B. Ball. Okay, kids. D. G. B. R. ये आपने ये जो साउंड्स हैं ना ड ग ब र ये आपने इन लाइन में लिखने हैं. ठीक है. ड इज स्काई लेटर. G is root letter. B is sky letter. R is root letter. No. R is cross letter. Very good.